I got this for free on the internet, and actually a viewer ended up sending it to me. So it's a SCOTTS by John Deere, 16 horse, 42 inch Kohler Command, which is a really great engine. But at first glance, tell me, do you see anything that's off? Like an engine that is moving? There's supposed to be some mounting bolts, and you can see that the engine has been sliding around here. It's filthy. But that's a 16 horse Kohler Command. We got a bagger on it, and we desperately need a battery. And now she sits for 5 minutes. New battery. Ether. I smell gas. We don't have spark. Let's test for spark. That piece goes over our spark plug. We connect that piece onto that. Because if we have spark, then that means we have a valve problem. So either something's grounding out the coil, not allowing it to spark, because we smell fuel, I smell fuel. Why? Well, that looks fun. Where's that red wire supposed to go? Nobody knows. I'm going to disconnect the ground off of the coil to see if we start getting spark. Because whatever this one used to be attached to is no longer. Nothing grounded the coil, so it may run. Okay, coil pack costs $124, the dealer said. But looking a little bit further, you can see this wire is completely worn. So that used to connect to this point here. And if the two of these were probably to connect there, because somebody's been here before, this thing will probably have spark. Just guessing. Pitter patter. These wires are all good until this break point here. So let's strip it, undo whatever the hell was done here. I'll do the ground wire. Okay, watch for spark. Probably hear it too, I'm guessing. Yeah, buddy, we got spark. So that's our problem. I saved $124 by not switching to Geico and figured out wiring. You may have a wiring problem too, because mice. So now the next thing we need to address is why this motor is not on correctly. It just needs to twist, be mounted with 4 bolts instead of the one that's currently holding it on. Our engine no longer sits like this. It is straight. I used a strap, put it on the axle here, came around the other axle, put it across this. And what that allowed me to do was pull this forward, because I had one good bolt over here, and then the other 3 were gone and missing, so I've replaced all those. What do you think? You gonna work?